church say amen. Let the church say amen again. Let the church say amen. The book of Jonah states in chapter 1 and 1, Jesus came to Jonah and said, arise and go to Nineveh, the great city, and cry against it. Sometimes I feel like Jonah. Sometimes I feel like running. You can't run from Jesus. No matter how hard you try to hide from him, he's going to find you. He's going to send you right back to where he started you from. See, sometimes you gotta understand, you get a little uncomfortable sometimes with what Jesus is telling you. See, overseer Bishop, sometimes you hear that voice and you're sitting there, God, are you for real? Are you serious about what you just told me? See, he told Jonah to go a place where he didn't want to go. So instead of going, Jonah decided to go and get a ticket to get aboard a ship. You can't get no ticket and get on no ship and think you're going to hide from Jesus. So what I decided to do with my life is to